Hey guys, Ryan Wilkerson, Director of Growth with the Dave Friedman Real Estate Team here in Charleston. So look, 6% plus mortgage rates have a lot of agents panicking. But here's the truth. Smart agents are using higher rates to actually win more listings. Let me show you how. When rates climb, many buyers hesitate and sellers feel stuck in place. They worry that buyers won't be able to afford their homes, and they're afraid to cash in the low rate they have and trade into a significantly higher interest rate on their next purchase. If you don't have a clear answer to that fear, you're going to lose the listing before you ever walk in the door. The good news is interest rates don't have to be a roadblock to your business. In fact, they can actually be your biggest opportunity if you know how to position the right solutions. That's why on the Dave Friedman team, we equip our agents with programs that remove the biggest roadblocks. Our 4% interest rate guarantee ensures buyers can lock into a rate that they're comfortable with that hits their monthly financial goals before ever getting out into the field to shop for a home. By doing this, this removes the number one objection that sellers raise on listing appointments. Our Sell Your Home, Keep the Rate program gives sellers the flexibility to buy the next home that they want while maintaining the interest rate that they love. And when you add in professional staging, targeted marketing campaigns, and exclusive seller programs, you walk into every single listing appointment that no solo agent could even come close to competing with. And that's the real edge. High rates aren't a threat for the agents on our team. They're a talking point that helps them actually win the listing. All of these solutions feed into our Sell 9 Homes in 90 Days program. So what is it? What's the program? It's a step-by-step framework for real estate agents that want to build a predictable business. And a predictable business is built on consistency in your closings. So instead of having to cold call or door knock or sit in open houses all weekend long, you get to plug into unlimited, warm, pre-vetted, ready-to-go appointments with buyers and sellers every single week, consistently. You learn a proven selling system, a framework that guides clients from prospect to closings. You receive time-saving tools and back office support who handle all the follow-up, all the paperwork, and all of your marketing. In short, the program gives you consistency, speed, and results to allow you to go from 0 to 9 homes in 90 days. And it works. It works. Let's take Kyle Weston as an example. Prior to joining our team, Kyle had no previous sales or real estate experience. He was a middle school